Hi viewers, this is your N. Lakshma Reddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel NLR Accountancy Lessons. In today's class, I am going to explain what is account and types of accounts and what are the debit credit principles of various accounts. First of all, we must know what is account. Account is nothing but account is a summarized statement of debit and credit. An account is a systematic presentation of all transactions related to a head, related to a particular head. An account shows a summarized records of all transactions related to concerned persons or thing. To get a shape of an account, draw a horizontal line first and divide it with a vertical line in the center. It looks like T. Then the left side part is called debit side and the right side part is called credit side. So we can classify accounts into three types: personal account, real account, nominal account. We can classify accounts into three types. First one is personal account, second one real account, third one nominal account. Personal account means all the accounts which are related to persons or firms. Firms means organizations are treated as a personal accounts. Accounts which are related to persons or organizations, or in other words, all the accounts which are related to persons or firms are known as personal account. Persons related and firms related accounts are treated under personal account. Examples: Ramu account, ICICI Bank account and Canara Bank account, TSRTC account and Sangamitra account, Corporation Bank account, Sita account, Rahim account. There are many. You can take any name, you can take any firm which treated under personal account. So this is personal account. Personal account is nothing but all the accounts which are related to persons or firms are treated as a personal account. Then come to second point, real account. Real account is means all the accounts which are related to properties or assets. Properties or assets are treated as a real accounts. Assets related to persons or properties are known as real account. Example: machinery account, furniture account, land account, building account, motor vehicles account, goodwill account. There are many accounts related to assets. Assets is nothing but properties of the organization. So these accounts are called real account. And third one is nominal account. Nominal account means all the accounts which are related to profits and losses and expenses and incomes. All the accounts which are related to profits and losses or incomes and losses. All the accounts which are related to profits and losses or incomes and expenses are treated as a nominal account. Example: rent account. If we pay rent to other person, that is a payment, that is a expenditure. If we receive rent from other person, that is a receipt, that is income. Whether it is income or expenditure, both are treated under nominal account only. So rent account, discount account, commission account, salaries account, and there are advertisement expenses account. There are many. All the expenses and all the incomes, all the profits and all the losses are treated under nominal account. Personal account debit principle: the receiver of benefit from organization is debit and the giver of benefit to organization is credit. Again I am explaining. The receiver of benefit from organization is debit, the giver of benefit to organization credit. Real account debit and credit principle. So what comes in debit and what goes out credit. That means in simple language, if the asset goes out from the organization, credit. If the asset comes into the organization, debit. If the asset comes into the organization from outside that is debit. If the asset goes out from the organization, then it is credit. So nominal account is nothing but, so nominal account also consists debit and credit principle. So nominal account debit principle is all expenses and losses are debit and all incomes and all profits are gains credit. So this is account and classification of accounts and debit credit principles of various account. Please subscribe my channel. It is very useful to intermediate students. So please students watch my channel, and it is a key to success of your success.